Have you ever wondered why some people seem to constantly battle toenail fungus while others never get it at all? The answer might surprise you. In this video, we'll explore the real root cause of toenail fungus and exactly what you need to do to make it disappear for good. By the end, you'll understand how to become completely unattractive, but not in the way you might think. Toenail fungus is incredibly common, affecting 10% of the population. That's tens of millions dealing with this unsightly and embarrassing problem at any given time. For most, it's an inconvenience. But left untreated, it can lead to dangerous complications and infections that spread beyond the toes. Our bodies are incredibly complex systems. When we see symptoms emerge, it means an underlying imbalance or dysfunction has occurred. But in our current healthcare paradigm, we often rush to treat the symptom without addressing the real root cause. We take medications to make the fungus disappear, but fail to investigate why it took hold in the first place. It's like putting a Band-Aid on a leaky pipe instead of fixing the faulty plumbing. So what is the true cause of toenail fungus? To understand, we need to talk about the microbes that share our bodies. Did you know there are bacteria, viruses, yeasts, and fungi living on your skin and inside you right now? It's completely normal. We have an entire microbiome of organisms inhabiting us. These microbes are everywhere, all the time. So why doesn't everyone have toenail fungus 24/7? The issue arises when the normal balance of microbes gets disrupted. Certain conditions allow fungus to grow out of control. Here's the kicker: if you have toenail fungus, it means you are too attractive. Not to potential dates, but to pathogenic fungi. Your body has unintentionally made itself the perfect environment for fungal overgrowth. Fungi thrive in dark, warm, moist environments. They love to be left alone to multiply. Your circulatory system, powered by your heart, normally delivers fresh blood and immune cells to every part of your body to fight off invaders. But your toes are the furthest point from your heart, so circulation is most limited there. Stick your feet in dark, sweaty shoes all day, and you have the ideal breeding ground for fungus. These microbes also need a food source to grow, and that food source is you. Fungi don't care much for protein or fat. More than anything else, they love sugar. This explains why diabetics and those with high blood sugar are at much greater risk for fungal infections. The more sugar circulating in your blood, the more fuel you provide to the fungi. So becoming unattractive to toenail fungus starts with lowering blood glucose if it is high. Deprive the fungus of its favorite food by focusing your diet on protein, healthy fats, and non-starchy vegetables while limiting sugar and simple carbs. A low-carb or ketogenic diet can be a powerful antifungal therapy. The next step is creating an environment fungi hate. Trim your nails short so debris can't get trapped underneath. After showering, take an old toothbrush and gently scrub your nails. Dry them thoroughly, even using a blow dryer to get them completely moisture-free. Whenever possible, go barefoot, especially outdoors. Sunlight, particularly UV light, is detrimental to fungal growth. Perhaps most importantly, you need to supercharge your circulation. Fungi took over in the first place because your immune system couldn't get to the scene of the crime. It's like having a top-notch security system, but the battery died. Your blood vessels weren't delivering the troops to the front lines. The solution? Get your heart pumping and your blood flowing with daily exercise. A brisk 20-plus minute walk can increase circulation fourfold as your heart rate doubles and the volume of blood pumped skyrockets. Your hands and feet will feel warm as the tiniest capillaries open wide. But the real game changer is hidden in something so simple it's often overlooked: your breath. Practice slow, deep breathing for 5 to 10 minutes a day. Inhale for 5 seconds, exhale for 5. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, dilating blood vessels and delivering more immune cells to your extremities. Stress hormones constrict peripheral circulation. Relaxation widens the pipes. There are also topical remedies you can try. Soaks with Epsom salts or apple cider vinegar can make the nail bed less hospitable to fungus. Dab potent essential oils like tea tree, oregano, and garlic on the affected nails. These natural compounds have strong antifungal properties. But ultimately, you must have patience. Toenails grow slowly, and you can't heal damaged nails, only wait for healthy ones to replace them. Even once you make your body an inhospitable host for fungus, it can take 6 to 18 months for nails to fully grow out. The more circulation you can generate, and the fewer fungal flare-ups you have, the faster the process. In severe cases, medications like Lamisil can help, but they come with risks. Lamisil is harsh on the liver, so it's best to explore natural methods first. Some cases may require surgical removal of the damaged nail to allow a clean slate for regrowth. But this should be a last resort after addressing the underlying root causes. Toenail fungus is a messenger. It's your body telling you something is out of balance. By looking beyond the symptoms to the real reasons fungus flourished in the first place, you can not only conquer the fungus for good, but improve your overall health in the process. Become inhospitable to that which does not serve you. Encourage the conditions for vibrant health to take hold. The power is in your hands and feet. By changing your internal terrain, you change what can survive there. Toenail fungus doesn't stand a chance in a body that is well oxygenated, well nourished, active, and low in sugar. Be patient, be persistent, and then watch as your healthy nails emerge as a reflection of the healthy environment within. If you found this information enlightening, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone you know battling toenail fungus. Together, we can fight this fungus at its source. Stay tuned for more videos that empower you to take control of your health destiny. The most potent medicine resides inside of you, and now you know how to harness it. Be well.